That means 15b plus 5 should be equal to 18a plus 14 or not? This should be equal or not? What is 15b? 18a plus 9. That means 5b equals 6a plus 3. Five b equals 5a plus a plus 3. So a should be 2 or not? If the a 2 what is b? 3. How many clear a is 2, b is 3? How many clear a is 2, b is 3? 15b plus 5 equals 18a plus 14. 15b equals 18a plus 9. 5b equals 6a plus 3 by dividing by, 3. Then 5b equals 5a plus a plus 3. A equals 2, b is 3. How many are clear up to this? How many are clear up to this? See, this portion is reduced by 5. Is this portion reduced by 5? So this should be reduced by 5 or not? When will a plus 3 be reduced by 5? A should be 2, b is 3. If a is 2, b is 3, what's the number? 50 is the minimum number or not? Minimum number is 50 or not? How many clear? Minimum number is 50. How many clear? Minimum number is 50. How many clear? Minimum number is 50. What's the next value of a that will satisfy this? What's the next value that will satisfy this? Will 7 satisfy? Will 7 satisfy? If a is 7, what is b? If a is 7, what is b? Find out. 9. Substitute here. When I substitute 7 and 9, what happens here? It becomes 140 or not? So what is it increasing by? 50 has become 140. What is it increasing by? Is it the LCM of 18 and 15? Is 90 the LCM of 18 and 15 or not? So the minimum number is 50. So every time it's increasing by 90 or not? The number is 90k plus 50. How many are clear with this? How many are clear? The number is 90k plus 50. Somebody asked me this question. Are you clear? Somebody asked me this question or not? Somebody asked me the question if the remainders are same, different. Nitin, are you clear with 18a plus 14? Nitin, are you clear with 18a plus 14? Nitin, if you ask me a doubt, when I ask you a question, you should say yes or no. N is 18a plus 14. Are you clear? Why are you late? Nitin, why are you late, Nitin? I think I should close the class. People are coming late, isn't it? Should we close the class and go? Now, the number divided by 18 leaves a remainder 14. So I can write n as 18a plus 14 or not? Nitin, are you clear? How many are clear? Number can be written as 18a plus 14. It's also equal to 15b plus 5. Are you clear? So 15b plus 5 equals 18a plus 14. 15b plus equals 18a plus 14 dividing by 3, you get 5b equals 6a plus 3. This is what we get or not? This is what we get or not? How many are clear? We got this. I have not removed the common factor here. Now can I write 5b as What is 5b minus 6a? What is 5b minus 6a? Now using this, I'll come to this why I wrote this. I didn't write this when I wrote first. So 5b equals 5a plus a plus 3. How many I clear with that? Can I write 6a as 5a plus a plus 3? Can I write 6a plus b as 5a plus a plus 3? Can I write 6a as 5a plus a plus 3? Now what is b? a plus 3 by 2. a plus 3 by 5. A and b are integers. If a is 2, what's the value of b? 3. Are we clear? If a is 2, b is 3. How many are clear? A is 2, b is 3. Substituting, get 50 as a number. Minimum number is 50 or not? How to find the next value of a? How to find the next value? Please remember in an equation like this, a will increase by coefficient of b, b will increase by coefficient of a. How many are aware of that? How many are aware of this? How many are aware that? How many are aware, how many are not aware? For example, 2x minus 3y equals 1. If y is 1, what's the value of x? If y is 1, what's the value of x? 2 or not? What's the coefficient of y here? What's the coefficient of y? What is the coefficient of y? What's the coefficient of x? No, forget the sign. I want the mod value. So increase this by 3. What will happen? Increase it by 2. What is 5 2s are? What is 5 2s are? 3 3s are? How it comes is, you want to know how to come this, or shall we do that later? You want to know how it comes, or you want to know it now or learn it later? You want to know why it's increasing? Right. What's the coefficient here? What's the coefficient on the left hand side? What's the least coefficient on the left hand side? What's the least coefficient on the left hand side? Divide by 2, what will happen? X minus y by 2 equals half. Are we clear? How many clear? X minus y by 2 equals half. How many clear with this step? What is x minus y? Y plus 1 by 2. Are you clear? X minus y equals y plus 1 by 2. X is an integer. This is for integer solutions. Please remember, this is for integer solution. X is an integer, y is an integer. So y plus 1 by 2 should be an integer or not? How many clear? X is an integer, y is an integer. Y plus 1 by 2 should be an integer. Let's call it as k. What is y? Y is 2k minus 1 or not? How many are clear? Y is 2k minus 1. I'm assuming y to be y plus 1 by 2 to be k. What is 2x? What is 2x? 1 plus 3y equals 1 plus 6k minus 3. X equals 3k plus 1. 3k minus 2 or not? How many clear? X equals 3k minus 2. How many clear? Y is 2k minus 1. X is 3k minus 2. K minus 1, sorry, 3k minus 1. Now, x and y, 3k minus 1. K cannot be, if k is 1, what's the value? If k is 1, what's the value? 2 and 1 or not? Now, what will be the next value? If k is 2, what will happen? 5, 3. That 3 is positive or not? Is a coefficient of y or not? This 3 is coefficient of y. This 2 is coefficient of x. So it will increase by 8, 5. Are you now clear? Are you now clear? The x is 3k minus 1. Everything will increase by 3k or not as k increases. Y is 2k minus 1. Y will increase by 2 or not? X will increase by 3. Y will increase by 2. Are we clear now? Are you clear? Because x is 3k minus 1. Y is 2k minus 1. As k increases, x will increase by 3. Y will increase by 2. Are we clear now? I don't think I'm getting yes from many of you. Are you clear or not? Now going back to this question. B will increase by what value? B will increase by what value? B will increase by what value? 6. A will increase by 5. Are you clear? Once I get one solution, B will increase by 6. A will increase by 5. Are you clear or not? I don't know why you are not answering. Are you clear? Do you hear me? Is there a problem? Should I remove the video? Or is it clear? So it increases by 140, 230. So every time it's increasing by 90, which is like LCM of 18 and 15. Are we clear? It's an LCM of 15 and 18. Therefore, the answer is 90k plus 50 plus least value is 50. How many are clear with the solution now? How many are clear with the solution? Right. Shall we go to the next one? Do this question quickly. Can you try this question? Divisor minus difference is same or different? What's the least number? That should be answered easily. What's the least number? What's the least number? Then what should be added? What should be added? What gets added up? LCM of 2 and 197 or not? LCM of 2 and 197 or not? So 394k plus 180. How many are clear with this? How many are clear with this? How did I get the next value? What is 2a minus 197b? A will increase by what value? Okay, that's okay. I think typing error. It should be A is 99. This should be A. This should be A or not? Yeah, that's why it's missing the grain for the chaff. Clear? Is it missing the grain for the chaff? What do you mean by that? So this will increase by 197. This will increase by 2. Are we clear? How many clear with this? It's a typing error. I'm sorry about the typing error. It should have been H typed as B. I'm sorry about that. Clear? Shall we go to the next question? Shall we go to the next one? Right, tell me how to do this. We have not finished this, then we'll go to remainder theorem. I've sent the mail also to those. I said we'll discuss also. Once I send the mail, I'll discuss. How many got the mail? Both the same only, isn't it? So then both the same. I don't think it makes a difference. Clear? I think whoever sent a mail to me, I've replied. Whoever sent a mail, I've replied them. Right, how do you do this question? Divisor dividing 145, 195, 242 leaves remainders 1, 3, 2. Find the greatest divisor. Shall we do this or you want to try? Shall we do this question or you want me to try? How many? I think I've sent the solution. How many have seen this? How many are clear with that? Do now. Try. Are we clear? We should know. We should be dividing. What does this mean now? 145. Leave what reminders? So 144 should be reduced by that number. 192 should be reduced by that number. 240. What's the HCF of these three numbers? What's the HCF of these numbers? 48. That's the greatest divisor. How many are clear? That's the greatest divisor. Yes, Rahul has sent the numbers PPT only. How many are clear? Greatest number is 48. How many are clear? So 145 minus 1 should be divisible by that number. 195 minus 3 should be divisible by that number. 242 minus 2 should be divisible by that number. We'll do one more question next to that. Tell me what we do here. What's the difference between this question and the previous question? What's the difference between this question and the previous question? What's the difference between this question and the previous question? Is there a difference or no difference? The previous one wants the greatest divisor. This wants number of divisors. This wants number of divisors. What's the answer here? How 10, Rahul? Rahul, tell me how 10. Okay, what's the greatest divisor? Number of divisors is factors of 48 greater than 3. How many clear should be greater than 3? Because the remainder is 1, 2, 3 and only should be greater than 3. How many missed out? How many missed out? The factors should be greater than 3. Number of factors of 48 greater than 3. Seven divisors. Maybe the option is wrong. 7 divisors. Clear? The third one should be 7 by mistake. In the PT, make the change, please. In the PPT, make the change. Are we clear? So what do we learn from these two questions? If N1, N2, N3 divided by divisor, leaving remainders, then the greatest divisor is HCF of N1 minus R1, N2 minus R2, N3 minus R3. And the number of divisors will be factors of HCF greater than R1, R2, R3. Are we clear with this summary? How many are clear with this summary? How many are clear with this summary? The greatest device is HCF of N1 minus R1, N2 minus R2, N3 minus R3. The number of devices is factors of HCF greater than maximum of R1, R2, R3. Are we clear now? Are we clear? All of you are clear? I'm not getting a reply immediately. Is there a problem? Is it buffering? Is it buffering? Is it buffering or the system slow? Is it buffering or the system slow? Okay, next one. Now tell me what's the answer. The next class when I take geometry, I'll send the concepts first, study that, and then we'll discuss. How many are trying? I shall we do it together. Nitin good, Ujjwal good, Sukanya good. Shall we do it together? See, we have also started a class in the morning. How many are aware that today we had a class in the morning? 6:30 to 8:30 we had a class. How many are aware that morning class also we have started? So then you attended the class. Check out if it is convenient for you, you can shift. Clear? So 150 can be written as dA plus R. 198 can be written as dB plus R. Subtracting 2 and 3, you get 48 as 48 is the greatest divisor. How many clear? 48 is the greatest divisor. How many clear? 48 is the greatest divisor. How many clear with this? When I subtract this, I get 48 equals. How many clear? When I subtract this to what I get? 48 or not? 48 is D into B minus A. When I subtract this, 48 equals D into C minus B. So highest common factor is 48. Are we clear with this? 48. Are we clear? Six is also there. I'm not saying 6 is not, but the greatest one is 48. Are clear? This is a slightly difficult question. Look at this. Again, what's the greatest divisor here? What's the greatest divisor? What's the greatest divisor? Now the question is slightly intricate in the sense, I want the number of divisors that leave same but non-zero remainder. When I divide by 2, what happens? Each number is 2 a factor of 48? Is 2 a factor of 48? Is 1 a factor of 48? They are not supposed to be included. Why? Why I should not include that? Because when 1 divides them, 0 is a remainder. 2 divides them, 0 is a remainder. Are you clear? 1 and 2 should not be included. How many are clear? 1 and 2 should not be included. How many are clear? Not only 1 and 2, many things like that. How many are clear? 1 and 2 should not be included. How many are not clear? Now I'll tell you how to eliminate that. I know Sonali, I'm saying how to eliminate that. No, yeah. What are the factors of 48? Yash? Dubey? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 3, 6, 12, 24, 48. These are the factors or not? Okay, shall I declare this is the 10 factors? Now take 1. When I divide 150 by 1, what's the remainder? When I divide 150 by 1, what's the remainder, Ash? When I divide 150 by 2, what's the remainder? 0. When I divide 150 by 3, what's the remainder? When I divide 150 by 6, what's the remainder? When I divide 150 by 6, what's the remainder? So I have to eliminate some numbers. How do I eliminate is, take one number 150, divide by 48. What's the remainder when I divide 140 by 50? Same principle here, subtract these two. I think this is a mistake. Okay, this is a typing error. This is a typing error. Sorry. Are you clear? Neither is it clear? Typing error. I cut and paste. That's a problem. Clear? It's a difference here. 48. Now, when 150 by 48, what's the remainder? 150 divided by 48, what's the remainder? What are the factors of 6? What are the factors of 6? 1, 2, 3, 6. That's why these 6 are removed. Clear or not? So from the factors of 48, I should remove factors of 6. From the factors of 48, I should remove factors of 6. How many are clear with that? How many are clear? Right. Are you clear with the previous one? Sorry, skipped. How many are clear with this? It doesn't have to be a factor. Priyanka. What is 150 by 48? What's the remainder? When I divide 150 by 48, what's the remainder? When I divide 150 by 48, what's the remainder? When I divide 198 by 48, what's the remainder? That's all. I never said we find HCF. I said the difference is 48 because when you subtract this, I get difference or not. 48 equals D into B minus A. 48 equals D into C minus B or not. Are you clear, Priyanka? That is why find the HCF of the numbers. Yes, Nitin, that's why I've removed 1, 2, 3, 6. Remember, I've removed 1, 2, 3, 6 or not? Removed 1, 2, 3, 6. Yes, you should ensure that take the number, divide by 48. Remove the factors of the remainder from the remainders of 48. How many are clear with that? How many are clear with that? Nitin, I've removed 1, 2, 3, 6. Remember, I've removed 1, 2, 3, 6. How many are clear? I've removed 1, 2, 3, 6. How many are clear? I've removed 1, 2, 3, 6. Yes, I've removed. Sir, this is wrong. I'll correct it up. Which is not clear, Priyanka? Which is not clear, Priyanka? Which is not clear? What are the numbers? 150, 198. What's the next number? 246. They leave the same remainder or not? When I subtract, I get the greatest remainder is 48. Are we clear? Take 150 by 48, you get 6 as a remainder. 198 by 48 also get 6 as a remainder. 246 by 48 also get 6 as a remainder. That's why greatest divisors. How many are clear? Greatest divisors is 48. How many are clear with this? Are you clear with this? Are you clear? Now take the number 150, divide by 48, what do you get? What is 48 threes are? What's the remainder? Now any factor of, see for example, 150 can be written as 144 plus 6. 198 can be written as 192 plus 6. And 246 can be written as 240 plus 6. How many clear with this? Any factor of 48 will divide this? Any factor of 48 will divide this or not? Any factor of 48 will divide 144, will divide 192, will divide 240. Are you clear? Any factor of 48. Now, what will make this? I want a number which will leave 0 as a remainder. When I divide this by 1, will there be 0 as a remainder or not? When I divide 6 by 1, what's the remainder? When I divide 2 by 6, what's the 6 by 2, what's the remainder? When I divide 3 by 6, what's the remainder? When I divide by 4, what's the remainder here? When I divide this number by 4, what's the remainder? 2 or not? When I divide by 4, remainder is 2 or not? So 4 gives me non-zero remainder. Does 4 give me non-zero remainder? 1 gives me a remainder 0, 2 gives me a remainder 0, 3 gives me a remainder 0, 6 gives me a remainder. 4 does not give. 8, what's the remainder when I divide by 8? When I divide this number by 8, what's the remainder? So these 3 can be removed or not? All others will give me non-zero remainders. How many clear? Others will give me non-zero remainders. Now what is clear, Priyanka? Others are clear? Maybe others have the same doubt. How many clear now? Tell me how to do this question, quick. The numbers may be bigger. I gave a small number so that we understand the concept. LCM of 6, 8, x is 24. How many values x can take? What's the LCM of 6 and 8? What's the LCM of 6 and 8? So x can be factors of 24 or not? How many clear x can be factors of 24? How many clear with this? How many not clear? So it can take 12 values. Are you clear? Or it can take 8 values. Are you clear? How many clear can take 8 values? How many clear? How many are not clear? How many are clear with this? How many are not clear? Now I am giving you an example. 681 LCM will be 24. 682 will be 24. Because LCM of 6 and 8 itself is 24. So x can be factors of 24, and when it's a factor of 24, the LCM does not get changed. Are we clear? Next one. Tell me what's the next question. How many values x can take? Are you trying, or shall we do it together? I've tried, all of you have tried. What is 4? What is 4? Is it 2 square? What is 6? What is 24? Is 2 cubed in 4 is 2 cubed in 4. Is 2 cubed in 4? No, is 2 cubed in 4. Is 2 cubed in the number 4? No. Is 2 cubed in 6? No. So x should get 2 cubed or not? How many clear x should have 2 cubed? How many clear x should have 2 cubed? How many are not clear? How many clear x should have 2 cubed? How many are not clear? How many are not clear? Now, how do you find HCF LCM? Many of you are not clear, so we'll see. Now, what are the numbers I gave for? Let's say how to find the LCM of this. $27, 45, 72. How do you find LCM? Tell me. What is 27 3 cubed or not? This is 3 square into 5. This is 2 cubed into 3 square. I don't think we'll write. We'll write like this or not. What's LCM? What's the highest powers of 2 here? What's the highest powers of 2 here? What's the highest powers of 3? This is how you find LCM or not? How many clear this is how you find LCM? How many clear how you find LCM like this? How many are clear with this method? How many are not clear? How many are clear with this? How many are not clear? So if 2 cubed comes here, should this be present in at least one of the numbers? If 2 cubed is a part of LCM, 2 cubed should be in either N1 or N2 or N3. How many are clear? If 2 cubed is a part of LCM, 2 cubed should be in N1, N2. At least one of them should be there or not? How many clear should be in one of them? Is 2 cubed in 27? Is 2 cubed in 27? Is 2 cubed in 45? Is 2 cubed in 72? So 2 cubed should be in one of the 3 numbers or not? Where is 3 cubed coming? Where is 3 cubed coming? Is it coming in all the terms or only one of the terms? 5 comes in how many terms? 5 comes in how many terms? 1. So the factors of LCM or the way you write LCM should be present in one of the numbers or not? Should be present in at least one of the numbers? Should be present in at least one of the numbers or not? It can be present to all the 3 numbers, but it can be at least present in one numbers or not. For example, 27, 45, 27, 1, 35, 72. What's LCM? What is 27? 3 cubed into 5. What's LCM here? What's LCM here? What's LCM here? I'm not wanting HCF, I'm wanting LCM. Is it 5 or not? Is 3 cubed present here in one of the numbers? 2 cubed is present. 5. How many are clear? LCM is 2 cubed into 3 cubed into 5. How many are clear? LCM is 2 cubed into 3 cubed into 5. Second, are clear? Now going back to the numbers. What is 4? What is 6? What is 24? Is 2 cubed present in 4? Answer the question. Is 2 cubed present in 4? Is 2 cubed present in 6? So X should definitely contain 2 cubed or not? X should contain 2 cubed or not? And 3 is optional. 3 is optional or not? X can take 2 values. How many eclairs X can take 2 values? How many eclairs can be 2 cubed into 3 power 0, 2 cubed into 3 power 1? How many eclairs? Why should X have 2 cubed? Tell me why should X have 2 cubed? HCM has 2 cubed, whereas N1 does not have 2 cubed, N2 does not have 2 cubed, so X should get 2 cubed. Are you clear now? Many of you said not clear. Are you now clear? Many of you said not clear. Are you clear now? Say yes again, I don't mind. Are you clear now? What's the LCM of 468? What's the LCM of 468? 24. What's the LCM of 4624? Give me any other number for X. Because, Sonali, 4 is what? 2 square. 6 is what? 2 into 3. If X contains only 2 cubed, what's the LCM here now? Tell me. What will the LCM here? 2 cubed into 3 or not? Is it 2 cubed into 3? Whether X contains 3 or not, answer still will be whether X contains 3 or not. Will the LCM be 2 cubed into 3 or not? Because 2 cubed is not present in 4 and 6. Then 3 is present in 6, so 3 will come in the LCM or not? So power of 3 is optional. 3 may come or may not come. Clear or not? That's why 8 does not have 3, 24 has 3 or not. How many clear power of 3 is optional? Tell me how many clear power of 3 is optional. How many clear power of 3 is optional? Next one. Yeah, because it's present in 6. Clear. 3 is present in 6 or not? See the next question. Now answer the question. 4 contains, what is 4? Can all of you answer what is 4? In 2 square. What is 6? What is 36? Two square into 3 square. Clear? What should X contain? Tell me. What should X definitely contain? X should contain 3 square. Should it contain 2 square or not? It can contain 2 powers. 2 powers optional or not? So 9 can come, 18 can come, 36 can come. 3 values or not? Are you clear? If I had made 72, what will happen? Instead of 32, 36, if I give just, no problem, Sukanya. I think I should have written 72 by mistake. If it is 72, what will happen? Instead of 36, the number is 72, what will happen? The number is 72, what will happen? Instead of 36, take 72, what will happen? 4 is 2 square. 6 is 2 into 3. Then 72 is 2 cubed into 3 square. So X should definitely contain 2 cubed and 3 square or not? Only one value. How many clear? I should have written 72 by mistake. I have written 36. Clear or not? I should have 72. Are you clear, Sukanya? 4 contains 2 square. 6 contains 2 into 3. 72 is 2 cubed into 3 square. So X should contain 2 cubed and 3 square or not? Sukanya, are you clear? Sukanya, are you clear? I think I should have given 72 by mistake. I have given 36. Clear? Is 3 square present in 4? Sukanya, is 3 square present in 4? Is it present in 6? So therefore, X should contain 2 cubed and 3 square or not? That's only one number possible or not? Not okay. Is it clear or not? I know it's okay. Are you clear or okay? $72. I think by mistake 72. I gave 36. I think. Now do this question. This is what will come in cat. Please remember this big number will come in cat. Now do this. How to do this? Will you try this before I do? Will try? Now what is 6 power 24? What is 6 power 24? What is 6 power 24? 2 power 24 to 3 power 24. Clear? What is 256 power 9? 2 power 72. What is 24 power 24? Is 2 power 72 contained in one of the numbers? Is 2 power 72 contained in one of the numbers? Is 3 power 24 contained in one of the numbers? So the answer should be factors of this. How many are clear? How many are clear? How many are clear with this? How many are not clear? How many are clear? How many are not clear? Nitin clear? Nitin clear or not? Nitin, is it clear? What is 6 power 24? Shanavas, what is 6 power 24? Is it 2 power 24 to 3 power 24? When did you join? When did you join? When did you join? This is a first class for you? Safi guys, this is a first class. Okay, wait. See the next question, we'll see. See the next question, you'll understand. Now tell me. Let's do this question. Or you'll try, we'll do it later. You'll try this, we'll do it later. You try this question. Yes, Neetu, good. Yes, breakup. Good. Good, well, good. 60, what's the answer? Sukanya, what's your doubt, Sukanya? Speak if you will.
Sir, actually, the LCM has 10 to the power 48, which is 2 to the power 48 into 5 to the power 48.
2
But
power 48 into?
5 to the power 48.
Correct.
But 256 4 to the power 8 is 2 to the power 64.
That should be 6, sorry, it should be 6. It should be 6.
Okay.
So it should be 2 power 48. Sorry, that's a mistake. 20 power 20. Yes, agree. I mean, sorry for the typing error. Clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
How many clear? Sorry, sorry about that. In which case the answer is none of this. Who gave none of this as an answer?
I guess.
That's right. If the number is like this, I'm sorry about that. Clear. Otherwise, it's 49. I think it's a typing error. Are we clear? So what happens here? So it should be 256 power 6. Sorry, it should be 256 power 6. I'm sorry about that. So X should contain 5 power 48 and powers of 2 is optional. How many are clear with this? Sorry for the error. Clear? Now it's clear? Okay, next one. Make the corrections of PPT I've sent already. Tell me how to do this, guys. Quick. Will you do this? I will do this together, or you will try? What is N1? In the previous class, I said N1 can be written as HK1. N2 should be written as HK2. You remember we have done this in the last class? How many recognizes H safe is H? Have we done this in the last class or not? N safe is HK1, K2. You remember this or not? How many remember this? So K1, K2 must be co-primes. So are we clear? K1, K2 must be co-primes or not? So what is given to us? H into K1, K2 minus 1 equals 27. How many clear this is what is given? How many clear this is given? Mohammed Rahil Shanawaz, are you CAT 17 batch or CAT 18 batch? Shanawaz, is it CAT 17 or CAT 18 batch? Shanawaz. This batch is CAT 17 class, Shanawaz. I think you should have come day before yesterday when none of you reported. When I was taking class, nobody came. The class was scheduled day before yesterday, not today. Are you clear, Mohammed? I think you may attend, but this class will be done for you again. Are we clear? So H, they're writing this number. The present batch will write the exam and this. So 27 into 1 will become 2, 1 and 2. Is it possible? How many are clear? How many are clear? H is 27, K1, K2 is 1. K1, K2 becomes 2. K1 can be 1, K2 is 2. How many are clear with this? How many are not clear? H is 27. K1, K2 minus 1 is 1. K1, K2 is 2. K1 is 1, K2 is 1. What are the numbers? N1 is 27. N2 is 54. Difference is 27 or not? Are you clear? Are you clear with this? Because this is a continuation class, I feel that's what we'll find it difficult. Alright. Now, can it be 9 into 3? Can it be 9 into 3? How many clear can be 9 into 3? Nobody's saying yes or no. Can it be 9 into 3? Why not? Why not 9 into 3? K1, K2 is 4. This can be 1 and 4. 2 and 2 not possible. The numbers are 9 and 36. Why not 9 and 36 not possible, Sukanya? What's the LCM of 9 and 36? Sukanya, what's the LCM of 9 and 36? Right. Now, 3 to 9 possible? 3 to 9 possible or not? 10. 1, 10, 2, 5. Both are co-primes or not? So number can be 3 and 30, 6 and 15. Both are possible or not? Are you clear with, see, did you attend the previous class, Jeevan? Jeevan, you have CAT 17 or CAT 18 batch? Jeevan, CAT 17 or CAT 18 batch? Okay. Did you attend the previous class? Did you attend the previous class? Okay, we'll see it. I'll remove the annotation so that you can easily go back. How many clear can be HK1, HK2? How many clear can be HK1, HK2? HCF is H. LCM is HK1, K2. K1, K2 must be co-primes. You remember we did this question till this time. Given, what is a HCF of 2745? What's HCF of 2745? What's HCF of 2745? 9 into 3, 9 into 5. What is common to 3 and 5? What is common to 3 and 5? Nothing is common or not? Therefore, H is 9, K1 is 3, K2 is 5. HF is 9. Then, LCM is 9 into 3 into 5. Are you clear, Jeevan? Once again, Priyanka, I'll come to him. Let Jeevan understand this. So, it can be H. This will be HK1, K2. Are we clear with this? Jeevan? I'll do it again, Shishma. I'm going to write everything again. Because he didn't understand, he didn't come to the last class, he may not be able to follow that. Now, I'm writing 27 into 1. K1, K2 is 2. K1 can be 1, K2 can be 2. Possible or not? Tell me. Priyanka, K1 is 1, K2 is 2. Is it possible or not? No, it's the same number comes or not. K2, 1, K1, 2 is same or not, Priyanka? If you write K1, K2 as 2, and what are the numbers? What are the numbers? 27 and 54 or not? Given what's your, are you clear with this? Are you clear 27 into 1, 2 in 1 into 2? How many are clear with this? Given what's your doubt? What's the next one? Can I write 9 and 3? 4 can be 1 into 4. Is 1 and 4 co-primes? Or 1 and 4 co-primes? Suganya, are 1 and 4 co-primes? 2 into 2 not possible. Why? Why 2 and 2 are not possible? Why 4 cannot be written as 2 and 2 possible? They are not co-primes. They are not co-primes. All of you are clear up to this? All of you are clear up to this? HF will become different, right? With 3 into 9, 1 into 5 possible, 1 into 10 and 2 into 5 both are possible or not? So there are 4 numbers possible already. Clear? Next one. 1 into 27, 28, 128, 214 not possible, 47 possible. So how many numbers are possible now? 6 numbers are possible. How many are clear with 6 numbers? How many are clear? 6 numbers are possible. How many factors 27 has got? How many factors 27 has got? How many factors 27 has got? Nobody's answering. How many factors 27 has? The answer should be at least 4. Remember, the answer should be at least 4. It can't be 1, it can't be 2. It should be at least 4. It should be 4 or above. It should be 4 or above. Are we clear? Shall we do one more question like this? Shall we do one more question like this? I don't know whether I have the next number. If not, I'll give a number. Given, are you clear now? Given, are you clear? Not. Okay, I'll go to the question. Not that. Let's say same question 36. Not done. Difference is 36. Take note. Difference is 36. How many numbers are possible? Take note. Difference is 36. Find out how many numbers are possible. It is 36. So you try this. Now it's taking time. Let's see how to do it faster. Clear? So 36 into 1, 2 possible. 1 and 2 possible or not? 18, 2, 3. 1 and 3 possible or not? 12, 3, 4. 1 and 4, 2, 2 not possible. Are you clear? How many are clear with what I have written? 9, 4, 5. 1 and 5. 6 and 6, 7. 1, 7. 4, 9, 10. 1, 10, 2, 5. Then 3 and 12, 13. 1 and 13. 2, 18, 19. 1 and 19. 1, 36, 37, 10 numbers. How many are clear with 10 numbers? How many are clear with this? How many are not clear? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Give me the 11th one. Rupesh, 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 give me the 11th option. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. 2, 2 is not possible. Rupesh, you have missed out 2 and 2 or not? 2 and 2 are not co-primes. How many are clear? 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 7, 1, 10, 2, 5. Rupesh, how do you get the 11th? I think is it 10 or 11? Is it 10 or 11? Rupesh, where did you make a mistake, Rupesh? Right, next one. Next one. Do this question. The cat question was 79. I've changed it to 89. Cat question was 79. I've changed it to 89. Clear? Take this question. The same question, cat question was 79. I've changed it to 89. Are you clear? What's the LCM of 2 and 29? What's the LCM of 2 and 29? Is it also 89? Is it also 89 or not? Is it also 89 or not? Phone I shouldn't get phone. How do you get these numbers? Tell me, how do you get these numbers? No, I'll tell you how to do this. This you can't do. Obviously, you can't do like this. Remember, you can't do like this. Obviously, you can't do like this. That's why I said you can't do like this. Wait, obviously, you can't do like this. There's a method. There's a method. Are we clear? What is N1? What is N1? HK1. Do you hear me now? Do you hear me now? Saifullah, when others are working out, I don't speak. Is it equal to 89? Is this what is given? Is this what is given to us? HK1 plus HK2 plus HK1, K2 is 89. What is common to all of them? What is common to all of them? H into so if I write H is 89, what is K1 plus K2? 1. K1 plus K2 plus K1, K2 cannot be equal to 1. Why? It cannot be equal to 1. Why? How do you answer questions like this? K1 plus K2 plus K1, K2 equals 1. This will be 1 only when one of them is 0. If one of them is 0, there's only one number, not two numbers. Therefore, this option is ruled out. How many are clear? If K1 plus K2 plus K1, K2 is 1, one number should be 0. How do you get that? So how do you get that one number should be 0? How do you solve this kind of question? What's the coefficient of K1 here? What's the coefficient of K1? What is the coefficient of K1? What's the coefficient of K1? What's the coefficient of K2? What is 1 into 1? What is 1 into 1? Add 1 on both sides. 1 plus K1 plus K2 plus K1, K2 equals 2. It means 1 plus K1 into 1 plus K2 equals 2. So it's 1 into 2. That means either K1 or K2 should be 0 or not. How many clear either K1 or K2 should be 0? So converting a sum as a product is an important aspect. Converting as a product is an important aspect of solving a question. Any sum should be converted as a product and are we clear? How many clear? 89 into 1 not possible. All of us are clear. What is 1 into 89 possible? Is 1 into 89 possible or not? Is 1 into 89 possible? So what is K1 plus K2 plus K1, K2? What is K1, K2 plus K1, K2? How do you solve this now? What should you add on both sides? Tell me what should I add on both sides? What should I add on both sides? So it becomes 1 plus K1 into 1 plus K2 equals what? It becomes 890. How many are clear up to this? How many are clear? 1 plus K1 into 1 plus K2 is 90. How many are clear? Priyanka clear? Anamika clear? Charanya clear? So this can be 1 into 90, which is not possible. 1 into 90 possible or not possible? Is 1 into 90 possible or not possible? 2 into 45 possible? 3 into 30 possible? 5 into 18 possible? 9 into 10 possible? 90 has how many factors? 90 has how many factors? Tell me 90 has how many factors? 90 has how many factors? 90 has 5 factors. I thought more than that. 2 into 3 square into 5 or not? How many factors is just got? 12 factors or not? I've covered what? 2 here, 4 here, 6 here, 8 here. What's the other one I have not covered? Tell me what number I have not covered. 6 into 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If 1 plus k1 is 2, what's the number? 1 and 44. If 1 plus k1 is 2, it's 1 and 44. 2 and 29. 4 and 17. 5 and 14. 8 and 9. How many are clear? These numbers are possible. How many are clear? How many are clear? I got 144, 2 29, 4 17, 5 14, 8 9. How many are clear? How many are clear? 144, 2 29, 4 17, 5 14, 8 9. What's the LCM of 8 and 9? Tell me what's the LCM of 8 and 9? What is 72 plus 8 plus 9? What is 72 plus 8 plus 9? 5 and 14. What's the LCM of 5 and 14? What is 70 plus 14 plus 5? So all these 5 numbers will satisfy. Are we clear? Are we clear? Right. Next one. So how do you solve any question like this? Remember, please remember, conversion is important. Any information I should convert to my advantage. I'm answering this question slightly differently. What's the last step you want me to repeat? How 144? Rupesh, you want to know how 144? Rupesh, you want to know how it is 144? 1 plus k1 is 2. What is k? 1 plus k1 is 2. What's the value of k? Rupesh, 1 plus k1 is 2. What's the value of k1? 1. 1 plus k2 is 45. What's the value of k2? I'll erase this so that you can see the tag 1. Are you clear with this? How many are clear with this now? Are you clear or not? I wanted to write so that I can explain instead of tagged 1. K1 is 1. What is the LCM of 1 and 44? 44 or not? What's the LCM of 2 and 29? 58. What's the LCM of 4 and 17? 68. 5 and 14, 17. 8 and 9, 72. Are you clear? I'll give you homework. Next class we'll discuss. Take the number 79 and find out. Clear? Can I take 79 and find out? Next class when I come, I'll discuss this. Can you do 79? Not now, next class. Clear? Solution. I think solution has come. I forgot to put the. No, not me. Do this question. I want to get an important question concept here. Take note. Because this has been coming regularly. Repeat that you can try. This question comes regularly. Take note. You want to do 79 or this? All of you, it's a vote. How many want to do 79 now or do this? How many want to do this question or do with 79? So the previous question, tell me. Okay, do this question. I think it's taking time. You should have solved by now. Think are good. But you're good. When you speak,
So I have answered already.
what's the answer?
I've answered option 3.
How 3?
81 will have total 5 factors.
So what is 9K1? 3K1 into 3K2?
Yes, sir.
243. What is K1, K2? 27 or not?
27, yeah.
1 into 27. 3 to 9 not possible. They are not co-parents. You forgot. There will be co-parents or not? Only one pair. Are you clear now? How many clear? Only one pair. So can you clear?
Yes, sir.
So then, in this kind of question, don't look at just factors. Please remember. How many missed out that? So remember, don't jump at just factors. K1, K2 should be co-parents. How many missed out K1, K2 is co-parents? So always list out like this. Next one. Tell me how many pairs are possible. What is K1, K2 here? What is K1, K2? Quickly, what is K1, K2? So 1 into 10 possible? 2 into 5 possible? 2 pairs are possible or not? 2 pairs are possible? Next one, quick. You're seeing the third question? What is K1, K2 here? 30. 1 into 30, 2 into 15. So can you list out like this? Can you list out like this? Can we get stuck somewhere? Can we list out like this? See, 1 and 20 are the same as because I have only pair of numbers I want. I don't want ordered pair. Okay, like typing errors. Remember, please forget the typing error because I type in a hurry. I'm happy about that. I'll correct this, right? See, remember, Akash Srivastava, 27, 1 and 27 are same. Clear or not? I only set of numbers I want. I don't want ordered pairs. Now, doing this is difficult or easy. What is K1, K2 here? I think it's a mistake there. What is K1, K2 here? What is K1, K2 here? No, in the first case, what is K1, K2? Is it 3 power something? Is it 3 power something or not? How many prime factors it has got? How many prime factors it has got? How many prime factors it has got? Only one prime factor or not? Therefore, one solution. Therefore, one solution. Here, how many prime factors it has got? 2 prime factors. 2 solutions or not? Here, how many prime factors it has got? 4 factors. So I'll summarize and tell you. Are you clear? 1 prime factor means 1 solution. 2 prime factors means 2 solutions. 3 prime factors means 3 solutions. 4 solutions. How do you generalize this? Two power k minus 1. Write down this table. That k prime factors will be 2 power k minus 1. So that I need not list out. Clear? Are you clear with this? If the number has got k prime factors, it will be 2 power k minus 1. The k minus 1 is in the powers. Are you clear? Are you clear with this? Are you clear with this table? So now I need not list out in future. See, HCF is 4. Product is 576. How many pairs are possible? Tell me. HCF is 4. Product is 576. What is K1, K2? HCF is 4. Product is 576. What is K1, K2? HCF is 4. How many prime factors 36 has got? So how many ways you can write? 2 ways. Are you clear? So 1 into 36, 4 into 9. Are you clear? So I need not list out the cases. 1 into 36, 2 into 18 not possible, 3 into 12 not possible, 4 into 9 possible, 6 into 6 not possible. 2 values or not? Are we clear? All of you are clear? Depends on the number of prime factors K1, K2 has got. How many are clear? How many are clear? How many are not clear? Do you hear me or not? Do you hear me? What's the third question? 4 pairs are possible. By mistake, I said 3 here. Remember, the answer is pairs is 3. I have instead of typing the option choice. Are you clear? 3. Kapil, are you clear? Kapil, are you clear? Four pairs or not? Are you clear, Kapil? 4 pairs here. How many pairs are there? 4 pairs. 4 is third option or not? 1 pair, 2 pairs, 3 pairs, 4 pairs or not? Choice is 3 or not? What's the third question? You are talking of HCF of numbers is 3, product is 270 or not? Rupesh, which question are you talking of? Rupesh, which question are you talking of? HCF is 3, product is 270 or not? It has 4 pairs or not? 130, 215, 310, 4, 6. Should be 5, 6, not 4, 6. Right. I was supposed to say something, missed out. Take down. HCF is 2. Product is 840. How many pairs are possible? Product is 840. How many pairs are possible? What is K1, K2 here? What is K1, K2 here? 210. Finding factors will be difficult or not? What is this? 2 into 3 into? Answer is 2 power 4 minus 1 or not? Shakila, well done, Shakila. Are you clear now? So that's the reason why you wanted you to know this. Clear? Answer this question quickly. Answer this question quickly. For this, what you have learned a few classes back also you should remember. If it is 48 factors, what does it mean? What is 48? If P1 plus Q1 plus R1 is 48, what's the maximum prime factors you can have? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 or not? You'll have 5 prime factors. How many occur? You'll have 5 prime factors. How many are clear? The answer is 16. How many are clear? The answer is 16. How many are clear? How many are not clear? How many clear? Answer is 16. How many are not clear? What is given to us is P plus 1 into Q plus 1 into R plus 1 is 48. Are we clear? What is given to us is P plus 1 into Q plus 1 into R plus 1 is 48. How many are clear with this? So can you clear? Number is not given. 48 is given or not? So what's the maximum prime factors? You can have 5 prime factors or not? Are you clear with this? How many are clear? Just 5 prime factors. It can be written as A into B into C into D into E square. How many are clear with this? There's 5 prime factors. How many ways you can write it as a product of 2 co-prime factors? Are you clear with this? Sukanya, are you clear now? Sonali, are you clear? Sukanya, are you clear? Sonali, are you clear? Okay, one more question. If there's 720 question, take note. If there's 720 factors, how many ways you can write it as product of co-prime factors? 720 questions, 720 factors. If a number has 720 factors, in how many ways you can write the number as product of 2 co-prime factors? You have to find out the maximum prime factors. How many prime factors it can have? If it is 720. If the number has 720 factors, what's the maximum prime factors it can have? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 5. Are we clear? Answer is 2 power 7 minus 1. 64. How many are clear? Pratyush, are you clear? 64 or 4? Pratyush. So can you clear? So can you are you clear? What is not clear, Sukanya? Speak, Sukanya.
So this phrase of maximum possible prime factors. This part is not clear.
See, last time we did know. See, if a number has 12 factors, it can be written as 12 into 1, 6 into 2, 4 into 3, 3 into 2 into 2. That's 3 prime factors. Remember, we have done this in the previous class. How many remember this? Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
Ajit, are you clear now? It can have 1 prime factor. It can have 2 prime factors. It can have 2 prime factors. It can have 3 prime factors or not? Prime factors are 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sukanya, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
How many are not clear? 7 prime factors. How many are clear? How many are not clear? How many are not clear? 7 prime factors. Tell me. Please remember, Ajit, 2 is not a prime number. And see, when you say that means you have not attended the first class of numbers. You attend the first class of numbers or not? See, how many factors will have? How many factors this number will have? Tell me. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Are you clear? Are you clear with this or not, Ajit? How many are clear? It's 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. How many are clear with this? How many are not clear? How many are clear? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Ajit, are you clear with this or not? Ajit Kumar Ghosh, are you clear with this or not? How many factors 2 square into 3 square has got? What's the power here? 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 or not? So 3 and 3, this represents P plus 1, this represents Q plus 1. They can be same numbers or not? Can they be same numbers? Can they be same numbers? Now what is given to us is 720 is the total number of factors. This is not the number. I can write as 720 into 1, 360 into 2, etc. or not. So if I want to maximize the numbers, I have to write it as many same numbers as possible. Now this can be written as 2 into 2 into 2, into 3 into 3, into 3, 2 into 5. Remember, this is not a prime number. This is P plus 1, this is Q plus 1, this is R plus 1, this is S plus 1, this is T plus 1, U plus 1, V plus 1. So don't miss classes, please, especially numbers class, don't miss. It's difficult or not. Even attending the class, Sukanya missed out. Clear or not, Sukanya? So don't miss classes. I think many of you are missing the classes just like that, thinking that you can see a video, which my opinion is not a correct way of doing it. I didn't understand what is past be asked. Will past be asked? Rupesh, explain what you want. Put it to all participants. Rupesh, what do you want, Rupesh? Why are you so late, Sajjan? Oh, so sorry about that. How many did not get the schedule? Sorry, I said it right. How many did not get the schedule about today's class? Till yesterday you didn't get. Sahil, is it? Till today or till yesterday? Sahil, you didn't get the schedule, Priyanka? Can you send me an email? I'll take it up and ensure that all of you get the information. Those who didn't get the schedule, send me an information. I'll get it corrected. Because I did quite a few interesting questions and interesting concepts. Okay, I'll do that. Are we clear? In future, whenever I take a class, no, it's also done physically also, Safila. You are from which place, Safila? Safila, you are from which place? Saifullah, sorry, Saifullah, you are from which place? Which part of India? Oh, you can attend online. You can attend my class tomorrow at. No, I'm still there. Still, Sonali, I'm not finished. Somebody had a doubt. Are you clear? Sonali, I'm not finished. Somebody had a doubt. Tell me this is an interesting question. Tell me. Yes, possible. Yes. So if you can attend my class at Chennai, I'm in Chennai, you can attend the class at Chennai. You can talk to Prithvi, he will give me my number. Clear, Prithvi? Saifullah, you can talk to Prithvi, he will give me my number. You can attend my physical class also. Saifullah, you can attend my physical class. You know Prithvi or not? Do you know Prithvi? Yes. See, for example, if the factors are 30, sorry, before I go to that. How many prime factors, if the number of factors is 30, how many prime factors a number can have? Can anybody tell me this? 2 into 3 into 5 or not? Is that 3 prime factors or not? Maximum is 3. Good, Rupesh, very good. If it is 32, if the number of factors is 32, what's the maximum prime factors possible? Two into 2 into 2 into 2 or not? Are you clear? Sukanya, are you clear? Are you clear? Now answer this question. This is a typical question which you will not be able to do in the exam immediately. Check this out. Check this question. We'll also have one more class on numbers and remainder theorem. We couldn't finish that today. We'll have a class on remainder theorem or not? I've sent the background on remainder theorem. You got the background on remainder theorem I've sent? Today I can do it, but the time is not there. I have no problems. I don't mind doing till 2:33 also. But I don't think you can go till that time. Clear or not? We'll do it on one more class. How many got my file on reminders? Successive division and reminders I've sent or not? How many have got the PPT on successive division? And if you have sent a mail, I've sent. Please remember, if I have sent a mail, I've sent. No, whoever has sent a mail, I've sent. Ajit, you sent me in the night, I'll send it to you tomorrow morning. Because I had a class till 8 o'clock, then came and took a class here. Clear? Ajit? I saw your mail just before starting the class. How many have sent a mail to me, got the answers? I think whoever sent a mail, I've sent the PPT. Right. Answer this question. I'll send the email to all of you. Email ID. Sorry. See, the system is slightly slow. Sukanya, you have my number and email ID, post it to all the people. Whoever has got my email ID and number, post it up. Because some keyboard is stuck. Right? She'll send you the mail. Please note down. Post it in this group itself here. So can you post it here itself? Shall we do this question? Second, I sent it to your WhatsApp group already. I think check that out. Ajit, excellent answer, Ajit. Okay, Shakanya, shall we discuss? Let's see how do we do that. Clear? What is 20 L plus B? L plus B should be less than or equal to 49 or not? Omni clear with this. L plus B should be greater than 2 and less than 49. Omni clear up to this. Omni clear up to this. Nitin, clear? Now, if L plus B is, what is not clear, Sonali? Perimeter is given as less than 100. Perimeter is 20 L plus B less than 100. And L and B are integers. So L plus B minimum should be 2, maximum should be 49. Sonali, are you clear or not? 2 into L plus B is less than 100. L plus B has to be 49 because it can't be 49.5 because the sides are integers. Are you clear now, Sonali? Are you clear? Sonali, are you clear? Sonali, are you clear? Less than 100 if there no. Is it less than 100 or not? I never said less than or equal to 100. Less than 100 or not? Now, if the L plus B is 1, how many triangles can be drawn? If L plus B is 2, how many rectangles can be drawn? One rectangle. If L plus B is 3, again one rectangle or not? If L plus B is 4, if L plus B is 4, what will happen? Yes, square is also a rectangle. Please remember, square is also a rectangle. If L plus B is 5, what will happen? Omni clear. L plus B is 2, 1. L plus 3 is 1. L plus B is 4, 2. L plus B is 5, 2. Omni clear up to this. Omni clear with this because I'm going to extend the logic. Omni clear with this. If L plus B is 6, what will be the answer? If L plus B is 6, what's the answer? If L plus B is 6, how many rectangles can be drawn? So it will be like this: 1 comes twice, 2 comes twice, 3 comes twice, 24 comes twice. Omni clear, the answer is 16, 600. Omni clear with 600. Omni clear with 600. 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3, 24 plus 24. Omni clear with this. Omni clear with this. Omni clear. Omni are clear, Omni are not clear. Why not 1? Priyanka, why not this possible? Priyanka, why this is not possible? Priyanka, why not 1, 1, 1 not possible? That's why it said this. L plus B is 2 or not? You are confusing with 2 into L plus B. So can you, what's the method you did? Tell me. Right. So you're writing L plus B is 20. Next one, what will happen to the next question? Quick, with this we'll close off. Tell me what is 2 into L plus B here, quick. Tell me what is 2 into L plus B. L plus B, do you lie between 2 and 40 or not? How many play with L plus B should lie between 2 and 40? How many play with this? How many play with this? Two is 1, 3 is 1, 38 is 9, 40 will be 2. Clear or all? 38 will be 19, 32 will be 40. What's the answer? 400. Is 40 an even number? Is 40 an even number? Is 40 an even number? What is 40 by 2? What is 40 by 2? What is 20 square? Here. What is 49 by 2? So I can write as 24 plus 25 or not? 40 can witness 20 plus 20 or not? What is 20 into 20? 24 into 25? What is 24 into 25? What is 20 into 20? That's how I should do it. That's what I've summarized here. If 2 less than L plus B less than 2N plus 1, number of rectangles is n into N plus 1, K square. Clear? Note down this. Shivam, what's your doubt? 1 comes how many times here, Shivam? 1 comes how many times? 2 comes how many times? 19 comes how many times? So it's 2 into 1 plus 2 plus etc. up to 19 or not? Are you clear now, Shivam? Plus 20. You can do that also. Only problem what will happen, Sukanya, is if n is 1, B can take values from 1 to 40. I agree with you. If n is 2, it will be from 1 to what number? I'll do it in geometry class. Okay, I'll do it in geometry class. I have a method for that. I'll do it in geometry class. So the problem here is there will be repetition possible. Remember, there will be some repetitions possible. When you write here 2 to 247 or not? You get 2 2 here, also 2 2 some numbers will repeat here or not? That's the reason why you don't do that. Clear? Right? Good night. See you next class. Have you posted the email, Sukanya? Sukanya, can you post the email and number because some battery is a problem. My number also you type 98414 01970. 98414 01970. Right. Good night. See you next class. Those who are celebrating, the WhatsApp number is also given, Ajit. Those who are celebrating New Year tomorrow, or have a great New Year. Right? If you are celebrating New Year tomorrow, have a great New Year. I think tomorrow is a New Year day or not, Shikanya? So we celebrate tomorrow. All the best. Have a nice New Year. Those who are celebrating, all the best. See you next week. So we have class in the morning also. Those who want to come, you can register and come in the morning. Clear? Morning 6:30 to 8:30. No, the schedule will be put up. Don't worry, schedule will be put up here. I think last month you had or not. Padu, what is it called? There in Bombay they call Padu was. What is it called? Last month you had, about 15 days back. Ajit. Gudi Padua, right. Right, I may be coming to Bombay in June. We'll meet there. I may be coming to Bombay in June for about 10-15 days. We'll see you there. Good night. Neetu, I'll tell you how to do that, Sakra. Sorry. Neetu, you are online or disconnected? Neetu, are you online or disconnected? You want to know how to multiply that. What's the number you said? 2 into can you post the number again? I think 2 into 22 into. This is what you wanted to know how to multiply or not? Clear? So 2 into 1. 2 into 10 plus 1. 2 into 10 square plus 10 plus 1, like this you should have. I'll send out to do that. Clear or not? This will be 10 cubed minus 1 by 10 minus 1. This is 10 power 4 minus 1 by 10 minus 1. This is 10 square minus 1 by 10 minus 1. And you have to multiply by 8. Clear? This will make it easy. Right? I'll send it to you. Right? Good night.